we are create measure year-over-year growth in percent. And how we could show the report. Let's start. First, we will create total sales measure. And then after create year-over-year growth measure. Date add function of its versatility or really time intelligence function. And no mention date column dim date then comma -1 comma. This is the most powerful part of data, so we can go day or month or quarter or year really based on number of intervals, because I want back only 1 year. What do we need in return? Divide bracket total sales, subtract sales, divide sales.